What it do, flight crew? FTC. Flight team stand up! Hey man, sounds every 2000s kids will remember. Let's check it out. I was born in 1995, so you kids that were born in 2006 and up, this video does not apply to you. Oh man, that's a classic. It's a classic. Oh man, who had dial-up growing up? That dial-up was a, oh my gosh. Nintendo DS. Now I didn't get into Nintendo DS like that. I got like the, you know, the PSP? Nokia. Oh yeah, I remember that. Oh man, this is about to make me cry and tear up. I'm dead. Bro, I think Nokia was my first. I didn't get, if you guys know me, I didn't get my first cell phone until I was in 9th grade. You know what I'm saying? I think it was a Nokia phone. It was a little like a rectangular phone. It just had the regular standard phone, you know, structure. And I remember that phone like it was yesterday, yo. It took almost like 5 minutes to send a text message. Hey, man. Man, phones evolve, bro. Oh! Oh man, the nostalgia, man. Nostalgia, man. Oh! PlayStation 2, and it was never a good thing if it was lasting that long because the disc was messed up. Yep, going to the air screen. What the hell is this? Nah, I wasn't on Xbox. Real ones was on the PS2. Then they went to 360, and then they went back to PS4. The Wii, I remember that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just throwback.
What's going on?
Bro, I don't remember this at all, yo.
Ding, ding.
I don't remember that at all. Starting the Windows, I remember that. That's in the capital, man. Hey, again, get on the comments. We'll talk back to next.